In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a Visa gift card on Shein at checkout. First, go ahead and browse Shein as you normally would and add the items you want to purchase to your cart. Take a moment here to review your selections carefully before moving on. It's always a good idea to double check things like size, color, quantity, and any shipping estimates so there are no surprises later. Once everything looks right, proceed to checkout. When you reach the checkout page, look for the payment method section. This is where you'll choose how you want to pay for your order. To use your Visa gift card, select credit or debit card. Even though it's a gift card, it's processed the same way as a standard card during checkout. So this is the correct option to choose. Next, enter the card details exactly as they appear on your Visa gift card. You'll need the full 16-digit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV security code. Be careful when typing this information in, because even a small mistake can cause the payment to be declined. It helps to enter the numbers slowly and then quickly review them before continuing. If Shein asks for a billing address, use your actual shipping address. In many cases, this helps the payment go through more smoothly, especially if the system needs address information to verify the card. One very important thing to keep in mind is your card balance. Make sure the Visa gift card has enough funds to cover the entire order total, including taxes and shipping fees. If the available balance is lower than the final total, the transaction may not go through. Before placing the order, give the checkout page one final review. Confirm that your delivery address is correct, your payment details are entered properly, and the total amount matches what you expect. This quick review can help prevent delays or failed payments. Once everything is ready, tap Place Order to complete the transaction. If the payment is accepted, your order will be processed and you should see a confirmation on the screen shortly after. That's it. Using a Visa gift card on Shein is usually a simple process. As long as you select credit or debit card, enter the card information correctly, and make sure the balance is enough to cover the full purchase. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.